Okay, so now it's time to create the function for the sticky form field. After the last function we've created, create 2 new lines and type function get sticky. Now we will be passing a few parameters to this function. The first one will be the case. The second one will be the parameter. And the next one will be value, which we will assign the initial value of nothing, we'll leave as blank, which means this parameter will not be required to pass to this function. And initial also with a default value of blank. Now we start with the switch statement, and we're going to be passing the first parameter, which is the case. And we start casing. So case 1 break, and in between it we're going to type something like this: if is set get with our parameter and get with our parameter isn't blank, then we want to echo strip slashes get par. And that's it. So that's our first sticky form field created. Next one will be case 2. So this one is actually going to be applying to the text field. We've got just one text field. So that's when we're going to apply it. Okay, next one will be case 2 with the break after that. And now we create another condition. If is set get par and get par equals value, then we echo selected equals backslash double quote at the end as well, selected. Remember about the space here, because we will be placing all this this whole function get sticky right after the last character and specific tags, to make sure that if obviously there aren't any values, that we don't have any unnecessary spaces. Make sure that there is a space, one space actually between the selected and between the first opening double quote and selected. So we've got select. So this is going to be applying to our select tags. In other words, drop-down menus. So we're checking first if the get parameter has been sent through the URL, and if its value equals the value which we're going to pass to the function, then we want this to be displaying selected. Okay. Next, case 3 break, and this time the condition will be if is set get par and get par doesn't equal blank, then we want to echo double quote space checked equals backslash double quote backslash double quote and double quote to close it, and checked. Okay, so this one, as you might have guessed already, is going to apply to the checkbooks group. Okay, and the last one will be case 4 break. If is set get par and get par equals value, then we echo checked. Actually, let's copy this. Yeah, checked equals checked. Else, if initial doesn't equal blank, again we're going to display checked. So now we're checking whether the parameter, the specific parameter has been sent through the URL and its value equals whatever value we're going to be passing as a parameter to this function. Then we are displaying checked. But if there isn't a get set yet, which means if we are going to the specific page and obviously we didn't press the submit button yet, then we check if the initial has been set. If it's blank, then obviously nothing's going to happen. But if it isn't blank, then we are going to make sure that the specific checkbox has been checked as well. Now this top one applies to the checkboxes and this one applies to the radio buttons. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show you how to apply this sticky form field function called getSticky to our tags.